The technology of 3D printed bones represents a groundbreaking advancement in medical science, offering a new way to treat bone-related injuries and diseases. This innovative approach allows for the creation of custom-made bone implants and prosthetics that perfectly match a patient's unique anatomy. Using advanced 3D printing techniques, medical professionals can now design and produce complex bone structures from biocompatible materials, including specialized polymers and ceramics, to replace damaged or missing bones. One of the key benefits of 3D printed bones is the ability to produce highly personalized solutions. Traditional implants often come in standard shapes and sizes, requiring surgeons to modify them during procedures. With 3D printing, however, bone implants can be tailored to the exact specifications of the patient's body, improving the likelihood of a successful fit and faster recovery. The future of 3D printed bones holds immense promise. Researchers are exploring the use of bioinks and live cell printing to create implants that are not only functional, but can also encourage natural bone growth and integrate with the surrounding tissue. This could ultimately lead to more sustainable and effective treatments, reducing the need for invasive surgeries and the risk of rejection. As the technology continues to evolve, 3D printed bones may revolutionize the field of orthopedics and regenerative medicine.